Hi everybody, it's Martyn at Flicking Feathers again today. I'm tying another wet fly. This is a flame kihi. It's a variation in the original wet fly. As always, I'll put a materials list in the description, along with a link to the Patreon page for any that would like to support the channel and get access to the members only content. So I've got my hook and my vise. This is a size 12 B175, and I'm starting my thread, which is 8/0 uni in fire orange. So the tail's in two parts in this. I'll just catch in the first part, which is Globrite floss. This is number 7. I've got 12 strands here, and I've brushed them together. We tie that back until I'm just in front of the barb. Put there, and then trim it with my scissors touching the back of the hook. Just see that wee nice. Short tag. We'll just trim this away up here. And I'll come back to it when I tidy everything up. Then I've got some golden pheasant tippet. Dyed red. Just make sure the fibres are all flat and lined up so they don't end up out of alignment. Okay. Catch them in. A loose wrap just to collect them. These ones are a wee bit short. I'm not kind of getting to the end of that feather, but that's fine. Coat it in the black bar, and the black tips just extend beyond the floss. Body, I've got some dyed red Peacock herl. Snap the tips away. I'll just offer this in the length of the body, and then I'll just tie everything off and then my way forwards. Now I'm not going to rib this. Some people like a rib on their kihi. I don't bother. I'm just going to get some super glue. Just put a very light coat of super glue on the thing. Now I feel I've got a wee bit much in the bottom there, so I'm just going to come in with my needle, spread it, take away any excess. Then I'll take this and I'm just going to wind these two strands together. Building the body as I go. And as you wind, it sticks into that super glue. Gives you a really nice, surprisingly durable body. Get to the head and come across your thread. Tie it off. Just trim this away. And then we'll tidy that up. Right. And I'm going to get a hackle. And don't be... When you tie these, you want a decent length in your hackle fibre. You can use hen or cock. I'm using a Chinese cock neck. And the fibres are quite long, you know, longer than maybe if you go like you hold the hackle, you can see there about the length of the shank nearly, and when I bend it, they're considerably more than the width of the gape. Tie that in. I'm just going to trim that stock away, it's a wee bit on the thick side. But you could, I mean, you probably could have folded it back. Just tidy up, make sure I've got a nice base to wind my hackle on. And I'll come in with the hackle pliers. I'm going to fold this as I wind it. You can see, although this is a cock hackle, it's not the sharpest, it's a bit soft. It's quite nice. I'm just going to use up this entire feather. Right, I want the orange to, I want that colour, you know, I want plenty of it. That'll do. When I get to the front, I'm just going to cross my thread, turn onto the thing, with the hook, cross my thread again, let go, and just pull everything back, tie over it. And you can just come in, keeping your thread tight, pinch that away. And then all that's left to do, I'm just going to whip finish and form my head at the same time. So I'll probably use some extra wraps on this whip finish, but you can use your whip finish to make the shape if you want to. Just watch that, I'm just nearly catching a hackle fibre. There we go. And that is a very effective key heap variation. I like to fish this maybe as a top dropper with a couple of small duck fly or you know, like maybe a snatcher, a wee black snatcher and something else behind it. Cormorants. Just plain black unassuming. Using this as the attractor to draw the fish to the team, and then they might eat this, but they quite often eat the more imitative or smaller flies around it. So, hope that was useful. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up below and subscribe to the channel. Tight lines, guys. Bye.